in the comments below, go down there and tell me, do you think this was intentional? Obviously, this is the sort of controversial thing that came, well, after the after the Jet Lawrence and Jason Anderson thing. We have that right there. Obviously, Sexton had a really bad start, back of the pack, out of the racing, whatever. And then Cooper Webb coming up towards the end of the race, catching Sexton's teammate, KTM, Aaron Plessinger. And you have that, which kind of depends on what side of the fence you fall on, I guess. It's either a intentional pass or an intentional block to help his teammate, or it's just, whatever, that the lines came together and that's what happens. But it kind of looks fishy, Obviously, Sexton is the teammate to Aaron Plessinger on KTM this year, so you get a little bit of a who knows, and Webb showed his disinterest or his dislike for that with the bird. But I want to hear you guys' opinions, because obviously it's a mud race, so you have that factored into it. The fact that he was a lapper and you're all supposed to stay out of the way, but really it's kind of hard once you pick a lane or a rut, whatever you want to call it, that's where you are. You can see Sexton goes wide, goes high, whatever, comes down, the lines come together, and then he kind of falters. I don't know, you want to call it. His spins, slows, gets in the way of Webb, and ultimately, who knows if Webb would have caught Plessinger and passed him, but he was catching, which is the main thing. And I guess if you look, Webb did an interview where he said, quote, he knows what he's doing, which obviously the guy who gets caught behind is going to say that it was a problem, but I don't know. You guys tell me. Obviously, this is kind of an opinion-based thing, but that's what I'm saying. Comment down below your opinion on, did Sexton intentionally block him? Is this just mud race, lapper, whatever situation that happens a lot? Or whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you all later. Peace.